Hi everyone, today I'm gonna bring you something new here. Here we have the AKKO keycap set. My version is ASA low profile. For me, ASA low is just XDA with double shot. There are 3 layers inside the box, 155 keycaps in total. This is the AKKO STARFISH, a linear box switch. The package is so cool. It has some information about the features on the backside of the box. There are 45 switches in the box. It has been pre-looped. For me, that is good enough, so I'm not gonna loop it again. Here is the ASA low keycap, good quality double shot. Let's hear the sound when they combine with each other. My keyboard looks like this after applying AKKO's products. Five rows have the same height, just like XDA profile. You may need some hours of using to get used to it. Here we go, the sound test.